Hey, this is Marco, and in this I'm going to show you how to cancel Crunchyroll membership. But before I begin with the video, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you need to do is go through this website. So you can only do it via their website. And then you need to log in. To log in, go to the top right, click on your profile, click on the premium member. Sorry, not premium member. Go to the settings, then go to membership info, and here you can see on what plan you are at the moment. So since I made the subscription via iTunes, I cannot cancel it here. I can only do it via my phone. But here basically you will have a cancel button and then just follow on-screen instructions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.
Hey.